Welcome to Capital Technology University. If you are looking for the perfect place to charge up your future in a technology career, then this is where you want to be. From cybersecurity to aviation and unmanned systems, and dozens of other fields in between, Capital Tech offers learning experiences and environments specifically designed to give you the hands-on, real-world knowledge tech employers are looking for. Here's a look at the programs, labs, and spaces that make the Capital Tech experience unlike any other you'll find. Located just outside Washington, D.C., Capital Tech attracts some of the world's leading authorities in cybersecurity thanks to the university's nearly 100-year reputation as a leading STEM institution. We offer several degree programs in cyber and information security and are one of the few universities in the nation to offer a program in cyber analytics. You'll also find a state-of-the-art cyber lab where you can apply what you learn in the classroom to simulate, detect, and defeat hacker attacks. Our lab's advisory board includes members from the U.S. Department of Defense, Oracle, Lockheed Martin, SAIC, and other leading institutions. Our Security Operations Center, or SOC, supports the curriculum in cybersecurity and analytics and provides an ideal training ground for digital forensics techniques. The center has also been recognized by the National Cyber Watch Center for Innovations in Cybersecurity Education. One of our newest facilities is the Identity, Credentialing, and Access Management Laboratory, or ICAM. It's one of the few labs of its kind in all of U.S. higher education, enabling students to advance their knowledge and employment opportunities in rapidly growing fields where physical and cybersecurity converge. Tomorrow is increasingly being created, transformed, and improved by engineers. Our students have abundant opportunities and learning spaces to become engineers that leading employers seek. Our Mechatronics and Robotics Lab is fully equipped to give students the perfect environment for building and refining their ideas and creations. With a nationally ranked competition team and an unlimited number of robotics scholarships available, it's an ideal place to explore your interests in engineering, mechatronics, and robotics. Our Computer Science Lab gives students the opportunity to engage in cutting-edge applied computer science projects, including applied artificial intelligence and machine learning projects utilizing real-world data sets and innovative predictive problems. Students working in the lab will gain an end-to-end understanding of problem formulation and understanding, data manipulation and integration, model implementation, accelerated computing, and model evaluation. From search and rescue operations to agriculture and retail, drones and other unmanned autonomous systems are revolutionizing the way we live. Our Computational and Unmanned and Autonomous Systems Lab enables students to explore a multitude of applications, practice programming, and use a wide array of technologies to carry out different types of missions. Through the lab, students can also work with industry partners on autonomous technology research and investigations into future uses. With the close relationship that Capital Tech enjoys with NASA, it's no surprise that we offer several unique labs that support the explorations of our astronautical engineering students and the greater Capital Tech community. The Space Flight Operations Training Center, also known as the SFOTC, provides a platform for real-time training in a virtual satellite environment, replicating situations that mission control specialists face during space flight operations. The center enables students to learn how to manage a wide range of scenarios, including loss of communications or systems failure. It's one of the most sophisticated learning environments available today, and an invaluable resource for future space engineers. The Fusion Lab is a student-run and student-led multidisciplinary facility that provides space for work on individual projects, club and competition challenges, as well as on high-altitude balloons and CubeSat payloads. Our on-campus residence hall, called Innovators Hall, is yet another reason why Capital Tech is a special place. All full-time students are eligible to live in our hall from day one as freshmen. It features a fitness center, lounges, and study rooms, as well as on-site laundry facilities. Apartment units include furnished bedrooms and common areas. Each kitchen is fully equipped with an electric range, oven, refrigerator freezer, dishwasher, and disposal system. All rooms also feature wired and wireless internet access, as well as cable TV. All in all, Capital Tech provides a truly one-of-a-kind experience for anyone seeking a place that's serious about preparing you for a technology career, while also making sure you have plenty of opportunities for fun along the way. We're planning even more ways to expand the Capital Tech experience this year, including introducing an esports team and welcoming the return of the Capital Tech Charger, our mascot and soon-to-be face of all of our competitive teams. So come be a part of Capital Tech and discover all of the ways you can charge up your future.